So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. So we have this table. We have an f of x table. Remember, f of x is the same as y, just in case that becomes important here. So I know that when x is 8, f of x is 12. When x is 12, f of x is 17. The question says the table above shows two pairs of values for the linear function f. Okay, so it's a linear function. Anytime I see the words linear function, I'm always thinking y equals mx plus b. Let's see if that's important. The function can be written as f of x equals ax plus b. So same, literally same exact thing. Okay, where a is m, so a is our slope. Where a and b are constants, what is the value of a plus b? So in essence, we want to find the slope, find the y-intercept, add them together. So how do I find those two things? Well, the easiest thing to find first will be the slope. So the slope is going to be the difference of these f of x values divided by the difference of the x values. So m, you may have seen it this way, is the same as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's just that for this particular question, we're not dealing with y's, we're dealing with f of x, so I could call it f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. So we would have 17 minus 12 over 12 minus 8. 17 minus 12 is 5. 12 minus 8 is 4. So a, or my slope, a is equal to 5/4. Now how about my b value? Well, without graphing this, which I don't really want to do in this case, without graphing this, I can't visually determine what b is, but I can use my equation, right? So far I know that I have y equals 5/4 x plus b. I can now use this to plug in one of these ordered pairs into the equation to figure out what the missing b is. So I'm going to use the first one, 8 and 12. So this would tell me that when y is 12, x must be 8. So I'd have 5/4 here and an 8 here, and then my plus b. To simplify this, I'm going to cross cancel. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 8 twice. This becomes 12 equals 5 times 2, which is 10, plus b. Obviously, in this case, then b is 2, right? Subtract 10 from both sides. So now I know that my equation is y equals 5/4 x plus 2. And more importantly, I know that b is equal to 2. The question wants a plus b, so I have 5/4 plus 2. In order to add fractions, I have to have a common denominator. So I'm going to treat this like a 2 over 1. 2 over 1, if I multiply by 4 over 4, because I want my denominator to equal 4, this becomes 5 over 4 plus 8 over 4. 5 over 4 plus 8 over 4 is just 13 over 4. So there's my answer. 13/4 is the correct answer for a plus b.